The takeaway from this course is the knowledge. That's the most invaluable part that you'll have walking away from here, is the knowledge to go home, open up Logic, and just start creating whatever your mind can come up with. This is more than just YouTube, man. This is a Logic beat workshop where you will get hands-on instruction from myself when there's an actual live person in the room with you that's doing it hands-on with you, showing you exactly what to do so you don't screw it up. And when time you leave here, you're gonna be able to construct your own beat projects and export them out and share them with whoever you wanna share them out, even maybe make some money on the side. The course length it's 4 Saturdays, so it's basically a month long. Basically, it's just a beat workshop, which pretty much goes over from start to finish how to produce a beat inside the Logic DAW. So if you're really thinking about doing this and starting to take things seriously, come on down to MediaTech. We got you covered.